Good morning, respected colleagues, parents, and community members. It is an honor to speak with you today about something that holds immense value to all of us, the future of our students and the future of education in our community. As we move forward in a rapidly changing world, the demands of education must evolve to meet the needs of our students, equipping them with the skills to succeed in the future. Today, I'm here to discuss the school's new approach to curriculum planning and design. An approach that not only adapts to changes, but it prepares our students for the opportunities of tomorrow. Our planning process involves collaboration with teachers, educational experts, and feedback from our community to ensure the curriculum we design is not only academically rigorous but also relevant to the needs of our beloved students. Our redesigned curriculum focuses on more than just academic learning. It also crafted to nurture the emotional and social growth of our students, ensuring that our students are not just successful learners but also well-rounded individuals. And now, our um, present time, we shifting towards a curriculum that prioritizes critical thinking, creativity, and collaborative skills, preparing our students for the dynamic challenges they will face in their future careers. Our design incorporates elements of constructivist learning, empowering students to actively engage in their learning process rather than passively receiving information. We are embracing a variety of instructional approaches, including differentiated instructions to ensure that every student, regardless of their learning style or ability, has an opportunity to succeed. This isn't just a change that happens within the school walls. We need your support, whether you are a teacher guiding our students, a parent reinforcing these lessons at home, or a local partner offering resources and opportunities. We're committed to a feedback loop. This means we will continually assess the effectiveness of the curriculum and we will welcome your thoughts and ideas on how to keep improving. Now, in conclusion, our new curriculum is designed to empower students, foster critical thinking skills, and provide equitable opportunities for success in a rapidly evolving world. Together, let's continue to invest in the future of our students, ensuring they are prepared and excel, not just academically, but as thoughtful, responsible members of society. And I look forward to collaborating with all of you in this journey. Thank you.